In today's video, we're diving deep into the arsenal of Stoic philosophy. Unveiling 10 powerful tricks that will make you impervious to life's ups and downs. But before we unravel these gems, remember to hit that subscribe button and join our community of fearless achievers. Now, let's embark on this transformative quest together. 1. The power of acceptance. Our first Stoic hack is the art of acceptance. Picture this: life throws a curveball your way, a setback at work or a personal challenge. Instead of resisting, embrace it. Acceptance is not about surrender, it's about acknowledging the reality of the situation. Let's explore this concept with a real-life example. In a world of career ambitions, imagine eagerly working towards a promotion, only to face the unexpected news that a colleague received the coveted position. Instead of succumbing to disappointment, the Stoic principle of the power of acceptance comes into play. This real-life scenario highlights the transformative nature of embracing setbacks rather than resisting them. The protagonist, facing professional adversity, chooses not to passively surrender but actively acknowledges the reality of the situation. By adopting a mindset of acceptance, they turn the setback into an opportunity for growth. The story emphasizes the Stoic approach of learning from and adapting to life's challenges, ultimately steering one towards a resilient and fulfilling future. 2. Amor Fati, love your fate. Amor Fati, or the love of fate, is our second Stoic key. Imagine viewing every twist and turn in your life as a piece of a grand puzzle designed just for you. Even the challenges and setbacks serve a purpose. Embracing this mindset can be a game changer. Let me share a story that illustrates the profound impact of loving your fate. Consider a scenario where an individual, driven by a meticulously planned life trajectory, suddenly faces unexpected obstacles, financial setbacks, personal struggles, and unforeseen detours. Instead of resenting these challenges, they decide to embrace the concept of Amor Fati, the love of fate. In this real-life narrative, the protagonist transforms adversity into an opportunity for self-discovery. By perceiving each obstacle as a unique piece of their life puzzle, they cultivate resilience and gratitude. The story underscores the Stoic principle that, by loving one's fate, even the most challenging chapters contribute to personal growth and fulfillment. It serves as a compelling illustration of the transformative power that comes with accepting and cherishing every twist and turn in life's journey. 3. The dichotomy of control. Next up is the Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control. Ever find yourself stressing over things beyond your control? We've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to reclaim your peace of mind? Imagine a person deeply invested in their career, aspiring for a promotion. However, the final decision rests with the higher-ups, and external factors like organizational changes and economic conditions play a significant role. Instead of fixating on these uncontrollable elements, the individual applies the Stoic principle of the dichotomy of control. They focus solely on aspects within their control: their work ethic, skills enhancement, and effective communication. By letting go of the unnecessary stress tied to external uncertainties, they not only maintain peace of mind but also optimize their efforts where it matters most. This practical application highlights the transformative power of embracing the dichotomy of control in navigating life's unpredictable terrain. 4. Memento mori, remember your mortality. In the midst of life's chaos, our fourth Stoic hack, memento mori, serves as a powerful reminder of our mortality. Sounds intense, right? But understanding the impermanence of life is a catalyst for seizing every moment. Picture a person engrossed in the hustle and bustle of daily life, chasing career milestones and material success. In the midst of this fervor, the Stoic principle of memento mori intervenes. This individual, rather than being consumed by the chaos, takes a moment to reflect on the fleeting nature of life. They recall a personal incident, a sudden health scare that served as a wake-up call. This reminder of mortality becomes a driving force. Now, they approach each day with a heightened appreciation for the present, fostering meaningful connections and pursuing endeavors aligned with their true passions. The real-life application of memento mori transforms the mundane into the extraordinary, emphasizing the importance of cherishing every fleeting moment. 5. The Stoic Journal. Now, let's talk about the Stoic Journal, your fifth tool for mental resilience. Ever felt overwhelmed by your thoughts? The Stoic Journal is your secret weapon. Let's walk through how to use it effectively and, as always, I'll share a personal experience to illustrate. Imagine a person navigating the complexities of a demanding career and personal life, often feeling overwhelmed by a myriad of thoughts and emotions. Introducing the Stoic Journal as their fifth tool for mental resilience. In the midst of challenges, they begin to diligently journal their thoughts, applying Stoic principles. This practice becomes a therapeutic outlet, allowing them to dissect and reframe their experiences. One particular entry captures a moment of intense workplace pressure. By employing Stoic reflections, they transform the narrative, focusing on aspects within their control. Over time, this dedicated journaling cultivates mental clarity and resilience. The Stoic Journal becomes not just a tool but a trusted companion in their journey towards personal and professional triumph. 6. Premeditatio malorum, premeditation of evils. Prepare for our sixth Stoic strategy, premeditatio malorum, or the premeditation of evils. It might sound ominous, but it's a profound practice that shields you from life's harsh blows. Curious to know more? Stay tuned as we unravel this Stoic gem with a gripping example. Imagine an individual faced with the impending challenge of a high-stakes business presentation. Instead of succumbing to anxiety, they apply the Stoic strategy of premeditatio malorum. In a quiet moment of reflection, they visualize potential obstacles, technical glitches, tough questions, or unforeseen hiccups. By mentally preparing for these evils, they empower themselves to navigate the actual presentation with poise and adaptability. This Stoic practice transforms fear into strategic advantage, turning the anticipated hardships into stepping stones for success. The premeditation of evils becomes a tactical tool in their pursuit of professional triumph. 7. Virtue as the sole good. Let's shift our focus to the seventh Stoic hack, virtue as the sole good. Instead of placing value on external circumstances, Stoicism emphasizes cultivating virtues such as wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. These virtues become the foundation for a fulfilled and content existence. 8. Sympathia, universal connection. Prepare to expand your consciousness with our eighth Stoic principle, sympathia, the concept of universal connection. It's about recognizing your interconnectedness with the cosmos. Intrigued? This principle invites you to awaken to the recognition of your interconnectedness with the cosmos. It delves into the idea that everything is intricately linked, emphasizing a deep sense of unity with the universe. 9. Negative visualization. Embrace the power of negative visualization, our ninth Stoic hack. It's not about dwelling on negativity, it's about appreciating what you have before it's gone. This principle encourages you to appreciate the present by contemplating potential losses. It's a practice that cultivates gratitude and resilience. 10. Eudaimonia, the ultimate goal. As we near the end of our transformative journey, our 10th Stoic hack takes center stage, eudaimonia, the ultimate goal of a Stoic life. It's not just about happiness, it's about flourishing. Eudaimonia represents the ultimate objective of a Stoic life. Discover the links to these exclusive treats in the video description. Transform your relationship with our personalized relationship recovery program. Dive into the step-by-step plan for relationship recovery, a best-selling ebook available in MP3 audio and HD video versions. Gain exclusive access to 2 private, one-on-one email consultations with our expert team, tailoring the recovery plan to your unique situation. Reignite the flame and build a stronger connection. Your journey to a revived relationship starts here. Embark on the journey to personal success and professional growth with our Master Course Collection, Path to Personal Success and Professional Growth. This comprehensive collection of educational modules is designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and mindset needed to reach your full potential. Your keys to thriving relationships and unstoppable success await you. Congratulations, Stoic Warrior! You've just equipped yourself with 10 profound Stoic hacks to navigate the complexities of life. Remember, these aren't just principles, they're tools for your journey to personal and professional greatness. If you found value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with fellow warriors, and comment below with your thoughts.